Welcome viewers, in this video we see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the problem. If cos A equal to 3 divided by 5, then find the value of sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A. The cos A value is given 3 divided by 5. From that we need to find the value of sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A. We know that cos A equal to 3 divided by 5, that is nothing but adjacent side of angle A divided by hypotenuse. Right? So we come to know the two values. Adjacent side of angle A, that is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. So the two values are known. From that we can construct the triangle. We'll be able to find the remaining one value. So let us consider this triangle ABC. The angle A is available here. You can draw the triangle with A here also. But here we consider ABC, the angle A is available here. So opposite to that of angle A is the opposite side of angle. This adjacent side is the adjacent side of angle A. The remaining is the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side of angle A is given. This BA, this AB is given as 3. Then similarly hypotenuse also given 5. From cos A we are able to know the adjacent side and hypotenuse, that is 5. But this opposite side is not given. Right? We need to calculate the opposite side. So we construct that the triangle ABC, this is the angle A, so that automatically this is the opposite side, this is adjacent side of angle A and hypotenuse. Adjacent side we come to know from the given value cos A, 3 by 5. So adjacent side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. In order to find these remaining values sin A minus cos B, we need opposite side also. We treat it as x. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can able to calculate the value of BC. So Pythagoras theorem is nothing but AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AC square, this hypotenuse, equal to AB square plus BC square. That is the basic Pythagoras theorem. But what we need is AC square. Right? So AC square, we bring this AB this side. AC square minus AB square equal to BC square. Rearrange the given expression. BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. Take square root on both the sides. So BC equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. AC is given. AC is nothing but 5 units. 5 square minus AB is given 3 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. 25 minus 9, 16. Right? The square root of 16 is 4. So that BC, that is treated as x equal to 4. Now we calculated this opposite side of the angle. That is, the value is 4. Right? So from that we come to know all the values. Opposite side is BC, that value is 4. Adjacent side is AB, that value is 3. Hypotenuse value is AC, that is 5. Right? So by using that we can able to calculate the trigonometric ratios. Then we'll go to the expression what is given in the problem. So that sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 4 divided by 5. Opposite side is 4, what we calculated. Hypotenuse already given 5. Then tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, 4 divided by 5. Opposite side what we calculated 4, adjacent side already given 3. Now we are able to calculate these two values. Sin A equal to 4 by 5, tan A equal to 4 by 3. Then we can go for this expression. The problem is we need to find the value of this expression. Sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A. Right? So this sin A equal to 4 by 5 minus cos A equal to 3 by 5. The sin A what we calculated 4 by 5, cos A already given 3 by 5. Right, already given in the problem. Divided by 2 into tan A. 2 into tan A is 4 by 3. Right. So sin A 4 by 5 minus cos A 3 by 5 divided by 2 into tan A is 4 by 3. So take the 5 common, so that 4 minus 3 by 5, here 2 into 4 8 by 3, right? So 4 minus 3 means is 1 divided by 5, right? This value is 1 divided by 5 divided by 8 by 3. While going to the numerator, it become 3 by 8, right? So that it is 3 divided by 5 into 8 is 40. 3 divided by 40. The value is 3 divided by 40, right? So in this problem, the cos A value is given. That is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. From that we constructed the triangle. We calculated the remaining value, opposite side, by using the Pythagoras theorem. After calculated, we calculated the value of sin A and tan A. Then we substituted all the values. Sin A and tan A, cos A already given. Then all the values are substituted. After simplification, we got 3 by 40. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.